Raw foods includes bread, rice, pasta, and other grains. Low foods, these are our sources of vitamins and minerals. Samantala ang raw foods naman include dairy, beans, meat, fish, chicken, and eggs.
I am healthy, I am healthy, I am strong, I am strong. It go grow and grow foods, it go grow and grow foods every day, every day. We are grow foods, we are grow foods. Do you know, do you know? Cereals, rice and bread, all the carbohydrates make us jump, make us play. We are grow foods, we are grow foods. Do you know, do you know? Fish, milk, cheese and meat, all are rich in proteins, make us grow big and strong. We are grow foods, we are grow foods. Do you know, do you know? All green leafy veggies, all the juicy fruits with vitamins, with nutrients. I am healthy, I am healthy, I am strong, I am strong. It will grow and grow foods, it will grow and grow foods every day, every day.